Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. What I have for you guys is some paparazzi jewelry. Okay, I only gotten 4 necklace set, 4 earrings and necklace sets. And you guys, I did not know that paparazzi jewelry has names to them. On some, they have names to them. So I got a few that has names to them, and I never knew that. So I'm going to show you guys this one first. Of course, paparazzi jewelry is only $5 each. $5 for the necklace and earring set, and they also have the bracelet. I think the bracelets are $5 as well, and also rings. I'm not sure how much the rings are. I think they're also $5, but I always get the necklaces and earrings, but I remember buying one bracelet to go with my matching necklace and earrings. So right now I only have the necklaces and earrings set. So let me show you this one. And this paparazzi necklace and earring set is called Caribbean Cover Girl. So these are the earrings, and these are a wooden set. And the necklace here, it has like a teal and a hot pink colors, beads, wooden beads, and of course brown. Okay, a wooden necklace earring set. And y'all, these are so beautiful. So beautiful, and I love it. I love it. Let me show you the next set. This one is called Cozumel Coast yellow necklace, and this also a wooden set, yellow and brown. And the earrings to this one is yellow, and it has like a little rope string. I thought I would get this time my jewelry in wood. I love it. Put on a yellow outfit. I mean, you basically can wear this with anything or any color. Alrighty. And my next set is, okay, this one doesn't have a name. It doesn't have a name, and I was trying to look for a name. These are the earrings, and this is a black set wooden necklace. How cute is this? It doesn't have a name, you guys. Little round earrings. And my last set, this one is called Backed Into a Corner. This one is black lanyard. Backed into a corner. Now this isn't wood. And look at this. This is beautiful. It is silver. I don't know if it's not really silver. It's more of a grayish metal. A metal. It is metal. It is grayish color. Pretty much close to silver, but it's more grayish. And I love the square earrings here. Chain with all the other little, you know, gray little squares. And it has a little hook here. That way you can kind of, you know, double up on the necklace. You can, let me lay it flat. You can hook it up to here to make it shorter. Okay, you can wear it shorter with a chain on one side and the little squirrels on that side. And you also can wear it long. Okay, you also can wear it long. This is so beautiful, you guys. And these are Paparazzi Jewelry. And I got 4, which end up being $20. And you guys, thank you all so much for watching. And please stay tuned for many more videos coming your way. And if you're watching this video and you're on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. Please share, thumbs up this video, and please comment. And come back again, you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. And let everybody know about your girl, Happy Dimples 39. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And you all be blessed. And I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.